Happy Friday here, folks. Gonna make this a quick video and just kind of walk y'all through my setups and a few things I'm watching. So I do have a put credit spread here, guys, on Disney. So it puts at 127, and this is just, kind of purely a continuation play. Nice ass move here on the daily chart. We're going into a nice 4-hour squeeze now. I'm looking for continuation, guys. So I'm coming down here selling puts at 127. I got some good cushion, but I'm not really going to hold on to this thing, guys, and kind of tie up the capital if it starts headed in the opposite direction. Right? If I can get out of here, break even, I'd much prefer to do that than sit there. This thing starts to roll against me, and now you're kind of sitting there hoping and praying. So it's still in the 4-hour squeeze. It's looking good heading into the open, but that's my thoughts on that one, guys. Tesla here. What more can you ask for? So taking a position there on, on Wednesday, guys, with a put credit spread, short and puts down at 1400. You got a daily squeeze underneath all-time highs on a stock that we know the shorts are scrambling in, with a bunch of positive catalysts hanging above its head. A little bit of additional news comes out last night, and you're getting the continuation here today. So I'm looking to lock up, guys. I got the credit spread. It expires in September, but I'm already going to be at good enough chunk of my max profit to be more than content here. So this is kind of the beauty of getting your position, whether it's naked calls or short and puts, inside the squeeze. By the time that things even trying to make the breakout, you've already collected your profit. So assuming Tesla holds up here into the open, yeah, she's looking pretty damn good. Looking to take that trade off, guys, get that capital back, lock in those gains, and then we move on to the next one. So we'll see how crazy she gets today, but I'm happy with that trade. And then the next position I got here, guys, is Google. And we do have a daily squeeze. I'm not so much playing the daily squeeze here. More so what I'm looking for in Google is, the Qs, guys, got the reversion to the mean back to the 21. If we're going to continue the trend here and over the next, coming weeks, make an all-time high and keep moving forward, if that is what unfolds, then I do like the odds here of Google making a nice move towards the upside. So typically, I'd be going with the put credit spread, but the spreads on the options themselves, between the bid and the ask, was just pretty trash, to be honest with you. So I jumped into some naked calls, guys. August 28th expiration, 1485 calls. So I went in the money here, and the reason I went in the money is that, I don't want to get shaken out of this thing if it just kind of comes back down here, guys, and bops off the 21. You go with those out the monies, it's a different story. So yeah, you're paying up for the in the money, but I'm going to have a little bit more protection as far as premium decay, and if we do make the move, I'm getting a good bang for my buck. So those are my 3 open positions, guys. We'll see how the market goes today. A little bit quiet there yesterday. Wouldn't be surprised if we see another quiet Friday here. We had a really big rebound on Wednesday. So here is my sheet, guys, the only setups I'm focusing on, and what I want to show y'all here are a couple of these daily squeezes. Right, so one, you got Amazon here, guys, right underneath all-time highs, kind of hanging above that 21 EMA. So if tech continues, I do like the odds of Amazon making a move towards the upside here soon, but I got a piece of Google. So the way I look at it is it's kind of the same move. It's a tech thing, right? So if Amazon explodes, good chance, guys, Google looks all right. So that's a really good looking squeeze there in Amazon. Now, after just kind of chopping back and forth here for a few weeks after earnings, Netflix is officially going into a daily squeeze. Not one I'm interested in yet, guys. I want it above the 21 EMA, but maybe over the next couple of weeks, this is going to come into play here. Beautiful daily squeeze in Visa. You got a gap to fill up here, but you can see, guys, it's a tough level. So to try to play the breakout with naked calls, it can be a little bit tricky. My preference would be get some in the money calls while we're in the squeeze, or doing out the money put credit spread around 190, 185. That's how I would play that one. So it's a good looking squeeze, and you look at MasterCard, kind of made the move we're looking for Visa to do here, breaking out of that daily squeeze. So maybe Visa comes through here, guys, and follows suit. Obviously, you got Tesla here, guys, but this one's going to open up, just shy of it. Looks like 1700 this morning. To be honest with you, I wouldn't come jumping in here at this point. That's just how I would approach it. I like getting my position in the squeeze, not at the big breakout level when everyone and their mom is looking to jump in. That's just my personal thoughts. So, like I said, I'm looking to lock up gains on Tesla today. This isn't ideally when I would be looking to enter a new position. Daily squeeze here on Google, guys, hanging nicely above that 21 EMA. I got my position there in the money calls, and then we got Papa John's pizza. Right? Nice daily squeeze underneath all-time highs. That's been a good setup here over the last few months. Same thing here for Adobe. Daily squeeze underneath all-time highs. This one might take some time, guys, but again, I like getting a position inside the good old squeeze. And then we have got, courtesy of my brother Hamza here, Dick's Sporting Goods. Same thing. Daily squeeze, just shy of the all-time highs. Can be a nice combo. So that's about it for the focus list, guys. Not looking to put on any positions today. More so just kind of spend the day here with the family and, from the corner of my eye, manage those open positions. What would be ideal this morning if it's up at the open? I can lock up on Tesla, then go over here, take a look at Disney right now. Even if Disney's break even, I might just take it off, guys, for the sake of peace of mind. It's not really a big position, so we'll see how Disney goes. And then as far as Google, I'm comfortable holding those calls as long as we're above that 21 on the daily, right? So I'll kind of set an alert, guys, right around that level, and then see if she holds up. So I wish you guys the best of luck today, but that's it for me here. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. I appreciate y'all for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next one.